if volume is anything to go by, MULN stock printed 280 million shares in this session on the 2nd of February 2023, and as it concerns Tesla, it was only 218 million shares, and it gained 8.45%. The news behind this rally is that the company has now launched a pilot program with Menzies Aviation and Loop Global as well. So the company indicated today, the 2nd of February, that aviation services company Menzies Aviation would evaluate Mullen's Class 1 electric vehicle cargo vans in several use cases across its operations at the Los Angeles International Airport under a 60-day pilot program. As part of the program, Loop Global will provide EV charging infrastructure and fleet operations software for the vans, according to what Mullen put out there. So, if you look at what the chart is indicating, or how the chart looks, you wouldn't even know that the stock has been rallying for some sessions now, inching it up gradually, inch by inch, inch by inch. And you can see here it says that it appears to be rallying within longer term bearish trend, driving its MACD above the signal line. However, the shares remain below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower, and it's easily outperforming the S&P 500. And momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for MULN stock. The volume for this session was heavier than usual, trading 280 million shares versus an average of 136.943 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. That is what has been going on, and definitely you must have felt that in your portfolio. MULN stock has been inching up gradually, since the 19th, since the 19th of January. I believe since 19th of January, it has just been relentlessly inching upwards. 19th of February was exactly 2 weeks ago. Relentless upward push. 2 weeks in a row. 2 weeks. That's 10 trading sessions non-stop. And we also heard that as of the 25th of January, must have been a Wednesday. That was a week ago. They were saying that they have no plans currently to reverse split. Let's see what that is saying. Okay, said Wednesday the 25th of January has no plans to currently to effect a reverse split, and that it has until March the 6th to meet Nasdaq's minimum closing bid requirement of $1. The electric vehicle maker said if its share price is below that level, it plans to seek an extension from Nasdaq to comply with the rule. If extension is granted, compliance with the rule may be extended until September 6th. It's the company said. Okay, if Mullen falls short of the minimum bid requirement, it will effect a reverse stock split at the time to maintain its Nasdaq listing compliance. Okay, so additionally, MULN said it's a member of the Russell 2000 index until June, which also requires a minimum share price of $1. Mullen said it will assess in June when the Russell index will be rebalanced, if it is in the best interest of shareholders to launch a reverse split to remain in the index. Okay, so we also know that of late we have been hearing that it is actually small and medium cap companies or stocks that are driving the markets right now. Indeed, you would have seen Apple and Tesla, including Meta as well. They all ran up huge gains in this session on the 2nd of February. But it is indeed this small cap and mid cap stocks that are driving the rally we are seeing right now. And indeed, MULN is one of them. It's definitely one of them, and there must be one ETF somewhere that may have MULN on their holdings. You never know. So going by all of that, we have on Trading View, the topmost upper projection they have there is $0.7233, $0.7233, and after that we have 0.5420. Okay, We haven't seen any $1 projection. Let's look at the weekly chart and see what we can find there. Okay, on the weekly chart, yes, things are looking very bullish there, but you can't rely on this. What am I talking about? $28.86. This is on the weekly chart. $28.86. Do not say that I said that that's where it's gonna get to. We have 18.32. So if you're looking for $1, you definitely have something even higher than that. 4.462. 4.462 is the closest to where it is right now, but you can't rely on this. Let's look at the monthly. There are no projections there. So if anything to go by, if it makes you happy, then look at this weekly projection of $4.462. But we had a projection of $3.3 way back, and we're still maintaining that. Okay, so Mullen Stock has entered a partnership with Menzies Aviation and Loop Global for a 60-day pilot program to test out their vehicles as it concerns providing cargo services in Los Angeles International Airport, and gained 8.46% on above average volume of 280 million shares. So thank you very much for watching this video.